Good morning, Alta Vista students. It's Monday morning, and how I wish you were here. It's a beautiful, beautiful morning. The sun is shining. If you were here at school, it would be the first day you get to wear shorts. So there's something you can be appreciative of, that you got to wear shorts before May 1st because you were at home. So hope you've got to enjoy this great weather. So our word of the week this week is appreciation. And most of you know what that means. Maybe some of you smaller children don't know, but that word appreciation means to be thankful and grateful. So this is Teacher Appreciation Week, and you have lots of teachers now. You have your family, maybe your siblings, as well as your classroom teachers. And I really, really hope that you'll take some time to show each of those people that have helped you with your school journey some appreciation. I am grateful for all of our teachers, all of our staff. They are amazing and they work so hard. And I'm thankful that they love you and that they have worked hard to keep you engaged through this pretty unprecedented, difficult time. But we're going to be appreciative for what we have, right? And we just have 2 weeks left, kiddos. 2 full weeks, and then Monday and Tuesday of that third week will be days that you'll get to come out and see us and pick up your things. So there will be more about that in the Wednesday note. I want to, there's an airplane flying over. It's probably someone in my family. So I'm going to wave to him. Hey, I want to recognize the May and July birthdays today. So our May birthdays are Sadie DeVoter in first grade. In second grade, Tynes Harbor and Callie Ryder. Third grade, Ivan Chavez. Let's see, fourth grade, Emma McConkey and Aiden Lathrop. Fifth grade, Azriel McDowell. And those are our May birthdays. And then I'm going to move over here to July. We have some July birthdays. Trey Franz, your birthday is in July. Joy Clippert is in, no, not Joy, Rose. Rose is in July. And Riley Morris, Jada Sickelbauer from second grade. Third grade, Elijah Sandoval and Maceo Montano, your birthdays are in July. Fourth grade, Alyssa Jara. Alyssa and I share a birthday, July 1st. And then Joy does have a birthday in fifth grade. So Joy and Rose both have July birthdays. And then Braylon Pinaflor. So happy birthday, kiddos. I hope you'll get to celebrate and have a great time on your birthday. I would love to hear about your birthday, so shoot me a note. So I think I've covered. We're going to have 2 more weeks of school. This week is Teacher Appreciation Week. Please find a way to show some appreciation to not only your classroom teachers, but to your parents or whoever's helping you with school. And have a great week. There's not much more for me to tell you this week. I'm just thankful for each one of you and what you have brought into my life. And I love you, and I hope you have a great week.